ready? Steering?
No.
I thought you were... No, Joe's got great balance. He can stand.
I'm going to stand right in the middle.
I think he's the one wobbling.
Yeah, he's the one wobbling. I'm not wobbling anything.
Listen.
You weeble wobbler.
Straight up. Hello.
Oh wait, we need the paddle.
I got the paddle.
This one.
You're paddling.
I don't think you're not gonna go anywhere.
Well, we can
I'm not moving.
It's already sick. This is.
I'm telling you.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Who's doing that?
It was definitely Joe that time.
That one was me.
Joe's like, I'm not doing anything.
He was wobbling us back and forth. He was wobbling us
You're
back and
not
forth.
on it anymore. Missy's on your place.
Wobbling us back and forth.
I'm not gonna.
That was funny.
I don't want to touch the bottom.
I don't either. It's gross.
Did you touch the bottom?
No, not with you.
You touching it now?
Yeah.
Oh, gross. Yeah.
No, I was gonna get on, but my pants fall off. My pants fall off. That's the problem.
It's alright. It's your family. Come on.
I don't know. People like Joe might have ill intentions in my butthole.
Alright. Try this again. You're sitting down.
I'm not
Joey's
getting
not
on.
allowed on. Put
Brittany
Missy on.
dragged me for my own family kayak. Billy, what?
Billy, what are you doing? It's already full of water now.
Alright, if we have two girls can sit there.
Right.
Hummus?
Hummus? Are we bringing hummus on the spot?
I don't know. Get some pita bread though.
No. I have no idea.
Why?
It won't go away.
Okay. Stuff on you?
We need one more person.
Pete.
Why don't you sit down
Right
and
behind her. He won't sit.
cuddle her?
Yeah. I don't want to cuddle
I need to
her.
be cuddled. I'm cold.
You just yelled at me and banned me from the kayak.
She's ready to forgive.
Speaking of that, I'm ready to forgive if you sit down.
I'm ready to forgive you that bulging package.
He can't even keep his balance on the dock.
Sit on my face, huh? I'm not paddling. You're a paddler.
Oh, hurry! The battery's gonna die. I need one more tipsy turvy. Battery's on his way out.
Listen, we're not going to tip.
Oh yeah. Okay.
We're gonna paddle into the
We're taking our water
horizon.
already.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep. Billy, you're stuck on the rope.
Oh, I am.
We're caught on a fucking line.
After all this?
Stop moving right, people. Thank you.
Hey, this is pretty successful.
We're gonna go down so quick.
How did that happen?
This is comic genius right here.
Who goes? We're gonna go down.
Joe.
I think it's a fail.
Epic.
I don't think so, Isaac. I think it's possible still.
I think there's someone on the boat messing it up.
Why don't you just say my name? We have the balls to say my name. I don't think she wants to point fingers.
But Joey.
Let's go 3 girls, 3 guys. Let's get her done. And then we can really look fun.
Oh my God, that fucking stinks.
Ow. Ow. Just
That mom up there?
Glass and kelp.
It was probably just a stick.
Is that guy right there, Missy?
That's for your range. No, I'm not. Okay.
That crab right there?
I found a valve. I'm not sure what this valve does. Close it?
I'm really cold.
I don't know.
Really?
Air's coming out of it. I closed it.
Hold it on.
All right, Gordo.
Yes.